and we'll call you out every day. Any story you write that is false, we'll give you facts the same day, the ones I'm giving you today. Niendelee nisiendelee? Wacha nimalizie hapo kwa sababu sitaki kuharibu mkutano mzuri. Otherwise, I want to say thank you very much. Good people. I've seen there is a deputy president here. There is a cabinet secretary. There are 3 governors. There are principal secretaries. There are engineers. They are all stakeholders and investors. And in addition, we have a Mokorino in the house. So I want on behalf of the president to welcome our international friends to Kenya. We want to say karibuni sana. This is a beautiful country with very warm people. Forget about what I'm saying to this press. When we are talking about the Kenyans people, we are not bothered about them. And we cannot write that what I'm saying, that we have got a good country. And we invite you to sample our best. The coast beaches are exotic, white sand, the best. And I want you to take advantage of your presence in this city. Move around, sample the best of Mombasa. Of course, we will whisper to you a few areas you shouldn't sample. But what is good is available. If you get time before you go back, fly to the Masai Mara, the 8th wonder of the world, and see our livestock, our wild animals, sorry. Najua Kijiabu anapiga mambo ya maziwa. I am working on daily milk reforms. Go and see the elephant, the rhino, the lion, the tiger, the cheetah. But please don't play with the lion because we need you around.